Hey there, how's it going? It's me, Jenny from NASIMA'S world. So today I'm back with another DIY video, and in this video I'm going to share how you can make your own mask by reusing and by recycling an old cloth bag. So if you want to know how I made this, then watch the video till end and don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. So here is the video. So basically I'm gonna make this mask by recycling an old cloth bag that was there in my house. And then next you need are some elastics, some needles, some threads, ruler, scissor, and a marker, and that's all. So let's begin. So firstly we're gonna cut this bag. So just see how I'm cutting it, cause I can't explain it in words. Just see the procedure. Yeah. And there is a very small request from our side. So please do wear your mask when you are going outside of your houses for any work, and just go outside only when you are in need. Basically, by not maintaining all these things, you are harming yourself. So you just need to be a little bit more sincere, and that's all. And there is also a sanitizer video in our channel. If you want to see this, then the link is given upwards. Do go there and check it out. In this portion there are some stitches, and it'll take a lot of time to open the stitches, and that's the reason why I am just cutting it from the side, because we need a single piece like it. And then next take a regular measurement or the measurement of your face and mark it and then cut it. Then next we are going to fold it, and you should give it minimum 3 folds and maximum 4 folds, and the folds should be something like this. Just see how I'm making it. And by the way, if you find this video helpful, then do share it to your nearest and the dearest friends and family. And then so the folds are done, and now we are going to stitch the two sides of the folds. And let me give you a tip: if you are unable to fold it properly, then do one thing: take a medium hot iron and then iron it from above the folds. Then it would be like this. I haven't ironed it cause my one was okay, so I'm stitching it now. So actually I'm running out of time cause I'm having some important works to do. For that's why I'm not showing the rest of the video, but I'm saying just try to understand. We have to see the four sides of the mask. Means we have to fold it and then stitch it, and then at last we have to attach a elastic on the two sides. This is what it looks after sewing it from the sides and then attaching the elastic. I hope you have understood how to make it, and I really hope that this video was very helpful for you. And if it was so, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and if you want more such videos, then please do subscribe to this channel. And it really turned out cool. I really loved it. So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye.